Are you searching for wall decor ideas to freshen up your living room? Those bare walls are full of possibilities, and a few additions can make your space look more stylish. Keep reading if you're ready to transform those bare walls into a modern centerpiece. We have tricks that can improve your walls and bring out your taste and personality, whatever your style. Discover these 10 living room wall transformations that add style to your living room, and as always, SimHome presents you with the list. 10. From a plain wall to a gallery station. Photo galleries are easy to cover a blank wall or an unsavory corner. Go with frame shapes, sizes, and designs and put anything from old family photos to art paintings there. Crafting a gallery wall is a chic way to add personality to a living room. And if you do it right, the results will be lasting. This look lasts over time, and you'll be satisfied with your wall of pictures for years to come. 9. Build a paneling wall. Wall paneling adds a delicate texture and still brings its original function of retaining the warmth, fulfilling the touch, and natural materials that are often lacking in modern life. Wall paneling is often known as traditional addition to any room, which has been increasing to this day. Many people use panels to conceal any flaws and make the space look more striking, making them a more approachable design trend and appropriate for decorating in 2022. If doing a DIY task seems hard for you, don't worry, because you can now get the look of wall paneling through a wallpaper that offers the same effect and needs less effort. If you want some variety in your room, think about installing different sizes or shapes of panels. It's best to stick with 3 main sizes and 4 main shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, and semicircle. 8. Install the new shelving system. Open shelving is an inexpensive yet stylish choice for living room shelving ideas. Create an entire storage wall with a stack of open shelving that runs along either side of your TV stand. Start by placing your first shelf at approximately the sofa or chair level. You can use it for display and double as a resting space for a lamp. Keep open shelving organized by installing several closed cabinets under your displays. Use this to deal with small-scale messes, so the surface doesn't look messy or become a dust magnet. 7. Fall for floral. After looking fuzzy and old-fashioned, floral is back in the spotlight, especially on our stark walls. It is proven that floral patterns have been more popular than ever in living rooms lately. Floral wallpapers wrap around your walls in nature and tend to combine a couple of colors that can be an excellent way to embed your color palette into a space for a cohesive yet natural feel. With a fairly tight print like the one in the picture above, try to bring out one key color, and the echo is more prominent around your living room. You can put it in accessories and large furniture. 6. A mirror wall living room idea. Decorating walls with mirrors can make a huge difference to a living room. On whether it's cramped and dark or large and full of light, mirrors can reflect natural and artificial light to make the room brighter during the day and at night. So it's right to incorporate them into your living room lighting ideas. Depending on the room's design and that available wall area, strategically choosing the best spot to hang the mirror is crucial. Position the mirror opposite the natural light to reflect the natural light coming in from outside. It will make your room brighter. Opt for medium to large mirrors to increase the reflection effect. This way, you'll reflect light in various directions. Also, these mirrors will make your space look more spacious. 5. Bring texture to those walls. If you want to add interest to a wall but don't want a complete set pattern, try to look for alternative designs that imitate the look of an unfinished surface. This way, your walls will display character and interest without overpowering the scheme by layering too many patterns. When staring at this wall, you might think it's an exposed concrete wall, just like what you usually encounter in an industrial-style home. The truth is that it's a wallpaper that immensely mimics the look of a concrete wall. This wallpaper features shades of gray, presenting a bit of a rustic effect of the industrial style. 4. Make one wall the focal point. Every room needs a focal point. It can be any wall you want to highlight due to its essential role. For example, a fireplace as a focal point. It has to be a standout. Therefore, installing different tiles or using other materials would be your safe bet. If you don't have an architectural focal point, you can try highlighting the wall with a TV set where all the furniture leads. Creating a focal point wall can help anchor the rest of the decor and direct all eyes to the most intriguing spot in your living room. 3. Try Terrazzo patterns. Terrazzo prints are the same as leopard patterns, as we can almost see them as a neutral border, and they create a backdrop that you can use to pair bolder color schemes. Due to their random small-scale patterns, it's not too distracting when you want to use it with very bright furnishings. However, if you like colors that match, you have to choose furniture with the same color schemes as the wall. It still lets the terrazzo become the centerpiece. So try this terrazzo paint to give your living room a new and fresh feel. Relevant details. Study the pattern on the wall and think of how you want to recreate it in your living room. In this case, it's just one line going all around the wall, but you can do this with a mosaic pattern and make the lines more varied in color and shape. Use high-quality paint and suitable color for this wallpaper to ensure excellent quality. And if you want to make your DIY wallpaper, try using oil-based paint as it's durable, thick, and easy to apply. Use a roller to get an even coating on the wall, and if you remove the paper, you use a brush, use a little bit of lighter paint to blend those edges. Use brackets and anchors to mount your wallpaper onto the wall, and make sure you apply equally intense pressure on each side. Remove the paper after 24 hours to ensure your paint is completely dry. 2. Display wall-mounted sconce. Living room lighting trends might change at any time, but it's worth keeping in mind the style and period of your home and opting for an authentic wall lamp that complements it if you wish for an endless scheme. Keep the lighting as soft as possible. Use wall lamps and table lamps whenever possible, and avoid too many spotlights to make it stand out and impress in a space where the goal is relaxation. Lighting for a living room wall should be practical and functional. Nevertheless, it still carries your decorating scheme. Thus, match the material, if not the design, with another lighting you have. For example, in white and black tones, this contemporary wall light matches the table and the other furniture in this room. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. And lastly, number 1, craft a new basket wall. We love hanging baskets because they can add a lot of visual attraction without taking away the minimalist feel of a room. In this space, the diagonal lines of textured wicker baskets create lots of visual interest. They pair very well with the brown color scheme and keep up a simple vibe in the room. Although baskets have a naturally eclectic vibe, you can easily make them suitable for various decorating styles. Here you can mix and match baskets with farmhouse, boho, and vintage nuances to create a super attractive wall gallery. Don't hesitate to mix and match styles as long as they're the same color. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video if you truly enjoy it, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.